Twitter has grown to become the go-to platform for anyone who wants to connect with friends and family, share their thoughts, and showcase their brand's personality. But even more than that, it's fast becoming known as one of the best social media platforms for anyone looking to make money online. With over 237.8 million global monetizable daily active users, the platform is a goldmine of opportunities for anyone to make money, not just big publishers. There are a lot of different monetization methods that you can leverage to start earning right now, and Twitter continues to work on providing content creators with new features to help them make money from the platform and other Twitter users. This monetization model has proven to be effective for brands and creators who want to drive revenue on the app. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money on Twitter, watch on to discover some proven tactics to help you get started. Making money on Twitter is possible. There are dozens of Twitter money-making strategies you can employ. It's important to note that creating a consistent income on the platform isn't necessarily easy. It takes a lot of hard work, and you need to be strategic about your efforts if you're going to see any real results. Fortunately for you, this article contains all the helpful tips and techniques you need to start earning money on Twitter, even if you don't have a huge audience yet. You can use Twitter by itself as a lucrative side hustle, or you can use it in conjunction with other social media and online platforms to create a full-time income. Your results will depend on how much time and effort you're willing to put into building your online business. The earning potential of Twitter is quite high, with many people earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars every day. Average earnings on the platform vary drastically, and your revenue will depend on a variety of factors such as the types of content you post, your follower counts, brand partnership deals, engagement levels, and various other digital marketing efforts. The good news is that you don't have to be some sort of social media wonderkind to mimic the success of those who've made it on the platform. All it takes is a bit of creativity on your part and the hard work and determination to carry it out. So, if you're ready to make your dream a reality, here are 8 creative ways to make money on Twitter. 1. Direct Twitter traffic to your blog. One of the best ways to leverage Twitter's massive audience is to drive that traffic to your own blog. There, you can promote your own digital or physical products. Use hashtags or @mentions when writing your tweets so you can direct people to your blog. Even if you don't sell any products on your website, you can still generate leads from Twitter for a service-based business. Once your blog is up and running, it's time to start directing traffic to it. If you are providing a specific type of product or service, simply type that into Twitter's search query box to see the tweets and conversations of users who are looking for that particular product or service. 2. Promote your own products on Twitter. Next on our list, you can use Twitter to promote your own products on the platform. You can do this for free, and compared to other Twitter monetization strategies, this is the best one because you are in control and get to keep all the profit. Consider using a platform like Gumroad to sell your products, which will allow you to also sell pre-orders and create membership charges for recurring income. You can also use Etsy or Amazon. Add a link to your product on your Twitter profile landing page and promote your product by adding a plug to any of your high-performing tweets and threads. You can also send targeted, customized DMs, direct messages, to your Twitter audience. 3. Become an affiliate marketer. A lot of Twitter users make a full-time income from affiliate marketing, and you can too. Sign up for affiliate programs featuring brands that your audience knows and loves. Tweet about these products or services using your affiliate link, and you'll be paid a commission for any resulting sales. You'll get better results from this monetization method if you can convincingly share the benefits of the product and why your audience should buy it. Just remember, you must never spam your followers with affiliate links. Make sure to mix them in with your regular content to avoid annoying your audience. Also, Twitter can suspend your account if too many suspicious links are detected. 4. Run Twitter contests or giveaways. Do you want to increase engagement on Twitter and get more sales? Well, nothing engages people as efficiently as a free prize. Look for businesses and brands that want some publicity and offer to hold a Twitter contest or giveaway. You will be paid a percentage of the sales that come in as a result of that event. Make your contest enticing to your followers by crowdsourcing them for ideas, asking them to be judges, or simply asking them to retweet something. This way, you not only increase engagement, but also generate new traffic flow and grow your Twitter following all at once. 5. Crowdsource on Twitter. Crowdsourcing is the process of soliciting ideas and contributions from a group or community. It's a powerful social media marketing tool that can help bring in donations from your followers and fans who want to support your business or idea. This tactic can be made even more effective when used together with something like Kickstarter. Make sure you research some successful case studies before you start your first crowdsourcing project on Twitter. 6. Sponsored tweets. This is a great way to monetize your Twitter content. You can charge businesses for your tweets. Once you've built up a decent following, simply go to a site like Sponsored Tweets, where you will find tons of sponsors willing to pay to reach your audience. You'll have to tweet about their products or services, and you can arrange a fee according to the number of followers you have, your engagement levels, and other factors mentioned earlier. By selling sponsored tweets, you can earn anywhere from $1 to $10,000 a tweet. 7. Purchase Twitter ads. Sometimes you have to spend money to make money. Twitter recently released a new Creator Studio with a ton of monetization features, including the ability for users to monetize their tweets and video content. Whether your goals include building brand awareness or driving conversions to make more sales, Twitter ads can be an extremely useful tool to help you achieve them. You can choose from over 20 types of ads on Twitter, but we recommend starting with promoted tweets to showcase your products or services so you can reach more people and start making money on the platform. 8. Use YouTube. If you're good at making high-quality video content, then consider creating Twitter-related tutorials that users are searching for on the platform. You can monetize your YouTube content with AdSense and start earning income based solely on your knowledge of Twitter's features and tools. Most of the top 10 earners on Twitter are either people who are already celebrities or those who have really committed to the craft. The good news is that you don't have to be famous in order to start making money on Twitter.